Hello from sunny Cape Town. Our first card is set healthy boundaries so that in the near future, with the foundations that we lay, we won't have worries. Believe in yourself. There is something better. We must stick to our goals, our dreams, with our boundaries, and stop limiting ourselves. These issues that they just cannot be solved. Let it go. It's just putting a hold on you. There is going to be reason for celebrations as we move forward with confidence and trust and faith in our own abilities. There's definitely something coming towards us, whether you're ready or not, and it's coming in a form of somebody that's enthusiastic, happy, and positive. The last angel card, sorry about that. The last angel card is don't stop, and the animal card is magic works through you. And the cards on that is there's new beginnings. We've let go of those things that don't align with ourselves, and we're going to have victory. There's already victory in heaven. Thanks for watching. Oh, my doggy's in the picture. That's lovely. Beautiful border collie. Thanks for watching. Bye.